we were talking about the usefulness. So, one more usefulness of NLP, of learning NLP as well as using it, it is like a manual for our mind. By the way, there is a difference between mind and brain. Brain is an hardware, mind is a software. And now we have manuals for everything around us. Let us take the gadget that you are using, your mobile phone, the laptop, the desktop, or for that matter, the shirt, pants, the trousers that you are wearing. Each come with at least a small tag telling you of what to do, what not to do, and how to use it. By the way, as a young boy, when I came into this earth, I was not having any manual. And all through many years, I had been searching for some kind of tools for me to work with our mind. And I was relying on others, my parents, my uncle, my aunts, my friends, my teachers, my peers, my colleagues, my mentors, my coaches. Now they can help us, and they had been. But many times we use trial and error method. Now NLP gives you a structure. NLP helps you with the models, techniques, and tools. And it is like a guide inside your pocket. Let's say you are going into a jungle for an adventure trip. Now, how you can use it? Now, like that, you use your manual. That's NLP.